Hello, my name is Vaishali Hanwat and today's my topic is the clinical research. What is clinical research? Clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that focuses on evaluating the safety, efficacy and the effectiveness of medications, medical devices, diagnostic diagnostic products and the treatment regimens intended for the human uses. This research is essential for the development of the new treatments and for ensuring that the current treatments and safe and the effective clinical research, which is encompasses and several types, each with the specific purpose and the each with the specific purposes and the methodology. So next we will see the types of clinical research. Types of clinical research include the observational studies, which is the cohort studies, and which follow a group of people cohort over time to see how their exposure affect their outcomes. For example, a cohort study might follow smokers and the non-smoker to see how smoking affect lungs and cancer rates. Next, the cases control studies which compare people with a specific condition or cases to people without the conditions, to identify factors that might contribute and to the conditions. For example, comparing the past exposures of the people with the lung cancer and to those without, to identify potential risk factors. Next, the next type is the cross-sectional studies. Cross-sectional studies including the analyzing data from the population at a specific point in a time, and this type of the study, it can identify associations between the variable but cannot establish causality. And the second type is the intervention studies, and which is the phase, which including phases. First, trials test a new drug or a treatment in a small group of people, and for the first time, to evaluate its safety, determine a safe dosage range, and the identify side effects. Next phase is the second trials. Second trials including the drug or treatment, or it is given to a larger group of people to see if it is effective, and to further evaluate its safety. Next phase, which is the third trials. The third trials, which is given to the large groups of people, and to confirm its effectiveness, monitor side effects, compare it to commonly used treatments, and collect information that will allow the drug or treatment to be used safely. Next phase, which is the fourth trials, which is the post marketing studies. They delineate additional information including the drugs risk and benefits and optional uses. Third is the transitional research, bridges the gap between the laboratory research and the patient care. It involves applying the discoveries made in the lab, which is the basic research, and to develop new ways to diagnose, treat and the even disease application, which is a clinical application. And next we will see the fourth, epidemiological studies, which include the investigation, the distribution, and the determinants of the health related states or events in a specified populations, and the applications of this study to control health problems. These studies can be descriptive, who, what, when, where, or analytical, how and why. Next, fifth type is the genetic studies. Genetic studies including the focuses on the understanding how genes affect health and the diseases, and these studies can identify genetic predispositions and to certain diseases, and can lead to the personalized medicines and approaches. Our sixth type, which is the diagnostic studies. So diagnostic study, which is the aim to evaluate the accuracy, efficacy and the safety of diagnostic tests and the procedures. These studies help determine how well a test identifies or predicts a particular conditions or the diseases. Thank you.